going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we are out here at DV8 to get the final revisions done on the bumpers. Noe, my favorite DV8 employee over here, is doing the dirty work, and he's wiping down the truck because we hit that Cleghorn trail and it was really dusty, but we're gonna get to installing the bumpers. Right now we're gonna probably do the rear and get the blind spots going and everything, so those will work for you guys. So let's take this thing off and put the new one on. All right, everybody, so this is the rear right here. The only difference on my truck is the new bumper. If you do not have the blind spot monitors, you can run this panel right here and then kind of cover that up. But if you do have the blind spot monitors, it's gonna be replaced on there. I'll show you once it's all in the truck and buttoned up how that goes. But this is what will come in your box right here. So we got the two mounts and then the bumper and then your hardware right here. So I'll show you the little difference between this bumper is the cutout right here, this guy right here. So on my truck, so like I said, my bumper did not have any of these cutouts right here. So that's what we're doing with the blind spot, is we're gonna put those in that hole on that panel on the side of the bumper right there. And like I said, if you do not have these on your truck, you can just run the panel and you'll be good. So once it's up there, I'll let you guys know how it goes. All right, everybody, it is the next day out here at DV8, and Noe is buttoning up the winch right now. So I'm testing this DV8 prototype winch with the new bumpers. It is looking really good. Let me get some in-depth shots for you guys here pretty soon once he gets done with that. All right, guys, what do you think? What do you think's coming? Yeah? Nice. All right, everybody, we got the truck up on the lift. We got the new bumpers on. So like I was saying earlier, the only difference between mine and the one I had before, or the one I have now from the one I had before, was now we have the backups, or we have the blind spot monitors up in there. So everything's working out all good, how it should. No issues with sensors or anything right now. But if you guys do not have the adaptive cruise control and all that jazz, you guys are gonna have these panels already pre-installed right here, so it's gonna cover where that would be. So that's cool. So it's kind of one bumper for all those trucks with all the sensors and without. Okay, let's wheel it over to the front. And we also have some issues on the truck now that it's on the lift, I can see. But right now, this is the front. The difference between the one I had before and the new release one, it has these cool caps that kind of cover up all the inside guts and stuff, so that's cool. Nice little cap on the end. I do have the winch installed now. This is a 12,000 pound DV8 winch, so I'm just going to be testing this on the channel pretty soon. The pocket fairlead from DV8 looks really nice. Nice machined aluminum fairlead right there. And then it comes down to here. We have the full belly skid right here up front. And right now, maybe, possibly in the future, they're going to be doing underbody skids, kind of covering up the transmission and oil pan, because your boy has a plastic one. Shout out to Chevy for the great ingenuity of that one. So you can also run a dual 20-inch light bar up front in this area. There's light tabs behind here. I'm not running that right now. I just have the pods right there, the DV8 pods. So if you want any of these other stuff that are for sale right now, use code DOWNTIMELOST and get 10% off. Yeah, it's a pretty nice discount. You can buy these shackles right now. Those are for sale. The pocket fairlead's for sale. All the lights are for sale. So code DOWNTIMELOST to use those. But let me show you guys something too. They are scanning for sliders. So possibly in the future, we will be making some reasonably priced sliders for the truck, because all of them right now are pretty expensive. And honestly, the ZR2 ones kind of sit up high, or they sit really low. Like, yeah, I do use the crap out of mine, but they do sit a little bit low. They'll probably be making some more high clearance sliders for the truck. So they're scanning that. So these are all possibilities. No for sure, but if you guys write down in the comments on if you guys want those things, I'm sure they'll listen to you guys. So just throw it down in the comments if you want some reasonable price skids and sliders. Okay, yeah, so let's go. I'll show you guys what's going on up front. That's not good. All right, so if you look at my front diff, we got some leakage going on. Right now it seems to be dried up, but yesterday it was a little bit wet the day after Cleghorn Trail, so that's awesome. I really hope Chevy uses that bumper-to-bumper warranty that I have on the truck, because you know, your boy's kind of modded out. You know, I am a giant Chevy ad, so like I really hope that they do the bumper-to-bumper warranty, but we are kind of pretty maxed out with all the gear, off-roading and everything like that. So yeah, here's but other than that, the truck's been really good to me, and we just got to figure out how to fix that front diff. It's just leaking. I really haven't checked the oil, the gear oil in the front and the rear, so I probably should do that pretty soon. All right, everybody, we are on our way back to AZ right now. We're kind of in the desert, and I'm out here getting sunburnt, but we got all the bumpers installed. Everything's ready to rip, so we might be doing some pre-order sales going on, so like a decent or a little discount for everybody if they want to get in on the pre-order sale. They are in production now because they all fit and everything's all good. All sensors are all good and everything, so they are coming very, very soon. Like I said, they are in production, so the bumpers are ready for everybody to buy almost. So let me know down in the comments if you guys want to, or actually DM me on Instagram, and we'll try to get like a group buy going on, and we can get everybody a big discount on the bumpers. So just let me know on my Instagram. I'll put it right here, DOWNTIMELOST on Instagram. Shoot me a DM and we can figure something out. So truck's looking good. Front bumper's all good. We got the winch installed, so it can run any type of 12,000 pound winch up front. I think I went over the specs already on everything, the different changes and whatnot. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. It is hot. I'm sunburning right now. It's 112. So I'll peace out. I'll see you guys later. Love you. Bye.